In this video we will cover.
Hi friends, in my previous video I mentioned the raw materials required for my new project, that is the front yoke design in a black cotton fabric. So let's see how the design turns out to be. I would request you to watch the entire step-by-step tutorial for a detailed guide.
Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Papia Art Studio. So in this video I will tell you how to measure for the lace design. So this is a cotton fabric of black color and I have taken a scale. In my last video I have already mentioned what all raw materials is required for the lace design, so kindly have a watch in that video. If not, then I will share the link at the description box below this video. Now let's see how to do the measurement before we design on the lace. So this is the scale and this is the bottom of the fabric, and we take size of 4 inches, that is the standard size of lace. So in this scale there is 4 inches we have to count, and accordingly we have to place the scale over the fabric like this. We have to count from here 1 inch, 2, 3 and 4. In designing part everything happens as per the measurement, so please be careful with the measurement. From this to this is 1 inch. 1, 2, 3, 4 and here we draw a line. Over the 4th inch last we have to draw the line. Similarly we have to draw a straight line from here also. Okay, so this now we have drawn. Now we have to cut a square cut from here. We have to make squares here because in this fabric this is a plain one with no self design of square as in my previous tutorial. So here 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 inch comes till here. So we will draw a line here equivalent to 4 inch. Okay. So this is like 4 inch. Here it has become a 4 by 4 square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 comes here. So we will draw a line here. Straight line. So it becomes a 4 by 4 inch square. Okay. So here we will start the design. So again this 4 inch we have to divide into half. So half is like 1, 2, 1, 2. So it will come here. We'll make a line here and here also. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also it would be half would be this much. We draw a line here. So we have drawn a square here, and here we will start with the designing part. So I will draw it with a pencil and then show you the design. So I have sketched this design with a pencil. So now I will draw a fair one. So now let's get started with this white sketch pencil. So within the lines which we have drawn, we will start sketching over that line. So first we will make the petals and then the flower. So this is the mid side of the flower. From this center line, we have completed the flower, the bud of the flower. Now from these lines, take a compass, insert the pencil like this, tighten it, or else you can get it all the more as per the requirement. On the mid side, draw a semicircular line. Like this. Then we open up the pencil from the compass and then start making the remaining petals. So for that we will start with the bigger leaf. Similarly from this side. Then this petal. From this side we will start making the petals. As many petals as we can. And lower side we will cover up with another petal. And semicircular another petal. And then we will cover the semicircular like this. So our design is complete, and then we will start with the embroidery with the white thread. So how is the design looking? Let me know in the comment section. If there is any imperfections you feel, you can still cover it up. Remember, hand designs and hand embroidery are not perfect or absolutely accurate as per print one. So you need to leave a margin, that you need to understand that hand design, hand embroidery are not accurate and perfect as print or machine embroidery. So if there is little bit of tinny minny, that is fine.